Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH from Trader Next Door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold falls on easing geopolitical tensions. Gold prices dropped below 3380 per ounce on Monday as easing geopolitical risk dented the metal safe haven appeal. As we all know, gold was bullish. Gold was almost going for all-time high because of the geopolitical tension, the global crisis. But the tension is easing, because of which we can see that gold is showing softness. US President Donald Trump announced last Friday he will meet Russian President Vladimir Putin on August 15 in Alaska to negotiate an end to the war in Ukraine, a move that could avert further US sanctions on Moscow. This meeting is going to be extremely important from geopolitical point of view for the whole world. Okay, the outcomes will be very important. Anyways, there is a hope that the war is about to end here. Okay, it's coming for an end. So we can see that gold is showing softness. So if gold starts falling also, okay, please do not be surprised. Anyways, the market is open. After the market opening, we saw this big red candles on the chart of gold. Okay, then gold came to our support. Remember the levels that we discussed on Saturday? Yeah, gold took support around 3367. Okay, and gold tried to recover. Now we can see that around 3380 market is facing some resistance. So let's discuss the trading opportunity one by one. So in any market, we have two possibilities. Either the market will go up or the market will go down. So at first, let's discuss the possibility number one. So if gold starts going up from here, what we need to do or how to plan our trades. So if gold starts going up from here, for example, during the European session, okay, if you see the market, market is consolidating, there is not much clarity. And if you see gold going up, then as a day trader, you can look for a buy above 3380. If you see that after consolidation for 2 hours, 3 hours, market is going up, as a day trader with 50 to 60 pips stop loss, you can look for a buy position above 3380. How much you can expect? Initially, if you target 50 to 60 pips only, do not have high expectations. After that, observe the market around 3388 to 90. Why? Because the 200 moving average will be acting as the resistance here. You can exit from your buy position. Observe the market around 338890 area. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling, you can look for a sell position here as well. Personally, I don't have any plans to buy above 3380. Okay, I don't have any plan. I will only be looking for a sell around 3388 3390 area. Okay, if market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell. But the problem will come up, okay, if gold goes up. For example, if you see gold breaks 3390, gold starts heading up, then it will be a problem, because we have seen earlier also, okay, last week was pathetic because there was no clarity. If gold breaks 3390, starts going up, okay, then things will be difficult for us again and there will be no direction. Because for gold to continue the upside, gold needs to break 341, the red box here. Okay, the red box is the main level. Gold needs to break this level, then only it will be bullish. Agar इसे नहीं तोड़ पाता, gold won't be bullish. Gold will be sideways or choppy again. And tomorrow is an important day because of CPI. So before an important event like CPI, we can expect that there may not be any drastic move in the market. Market may stay in a range. So be careful. Again, I'm repeating, for gold to be bullish, it needs to grow above 3410. And during the day, okay, we can look for a sell around 3390, then 3400. If you want, you can also look for a buy above this particular high, 3380. Okay, so these are the levels where you can look for trade opportunities if market goes up from here. Okay, so these are the opportunities if gold goes up. So if gold, okay, doesn't go up, then gold will go down, isn't it? Just like 3410 at the top, we have 3350 at the bottom. Or you can also say that 3410, 3350 is the range of gold right now. To be bullish, it needs to break 3410. To be bearish, gold needs to break 3350. During the day, okay, if you see gold is showing selling pressure, then you can also look for a sell below 3365, below the yellow box. Market has taken support once. During the day, if you see the market is struggling, market okay breaks the yellow box 3365 area, we can look for a sell below it as well. Remember the next support from Saturday's video. The next support is around 3360, 3355. Okay, if you see the selling pressure is not very high. Okay, if you see the market is going down with small candles, then you can look for a buy around 336055. But in case during the US session, if we see that there is a heavy selling pressure, market is going down with big fat red candles, then obviously you need to stay with the sell and forget about the buy. 3350, as we all know, is going to play a critical role. Not sure how the market will react around 3350, but yes, if it takes support, we can look for a buy position. Only time will speak. Okay, but there's a high chance that okay during the day or by tomorrow, okay, market will give us an opportunity to sell below 3365. Okay, let's see. Okay, and 3355, 3360, okay, it's not a very strong level, but if the selling pressure is not very high, then only we can look for a buy around the blue box. Otherwise you can avoid. Okay, and tomorrow, again repeating, tomorrow is CPI. Before a major event like CPI, okay, market do not show crazy moves. We can expect before CPI 3410, 3350 to be the range. Okay, market should stay like this only till tomorrow. Let's wait and watch. Gold is full of surprises. Okay, can't predict gold now. And my dear friends, if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. And be careful because there are lots of scams also. There are many investment schemes also going on in my name. Okay, be careful. Okay, I do not have any investment schemes. Okay, please do not become a victim. You can see these are all the scams going on in my name. Okay, I have complained a lot. Okay, they always a new group comes up. Okay, so be careful. Only join the community from the link in the description. Okay, and be careful with gold. Use proper stop loss because the market was choppy. Though the market has shown good amount of selling during the morning time or after the market opening, though the market sentiment is also a little bit on the bearish side, but still we cannot deny the fact that the 3410 on the upside and 3350 on the downside, okay, is the range of gold. As long as market is trading inside this range, okay, gold will be difficult to handle. For a clean market, for a clear trend, okay, we need gold out of this range. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.